Hello everybody, so today, I hope you're having a blessed day, and I'm here with my 1980s ITT, off-color, like, white rotary phone, or maybe like a cream color. It's got some sun fading, but that'll be okay. Trying to let y'all see the ITT, if it'll focus in on it. The camera will. Well, it's not focusing in that good, but that'll be okay. Here's the dialing sound. Here's the bottom of it. Made in Corinth, Mississippi with pride. The loudness ringer. Softener. The reason I think it's 1980s because it's plastic bottom. The older ones was metal bottoms. So I'm going to go ahead and call the number so the phone will ring. Just give me a second. Here we go. Hello? Okay. And it rings great, really loud. Hope you like this video, and there you have it. And wrote an ITT vintage 1980s rotary phone, and God bless and have a great day. Bye bye.